Hey guys, Jesse Helmendahler from TREBEL Wellness Solutions. Today we're going to go over the supine knee draw. The supine knee draw is our first progression towards a hanging knee raise. So Andrew's already set up. He is supine, supine meaning lying down on his back. And what we're looking for here is first that he's nice and hollow. This hollow body position, first and foremost, he's looking at digging in his lower back into the floor. From this position, let's go ahead and draw your knees in. Let's start in this position right here. Good. So the knees are tucked in, the heels are together, the toes are pointed. His hands are digging into the ground, and you can see that his head is raised up off the ground. He's really tight here. Let's go ahead and extend your legs out, Andrew. His feet aren't going to touch the ground. He's going to come back in. And go ahead and do about 4 more for me, please. Really tough movement, trying to keep his lower back digging into the floor. Now, this is great when there's no equipment needed. What I'm going to add in is a little bit of equipment in the form of the kettlebell. So I'm going to put this back behind his head. Go ahead and relax, Andrew. And Andrew's going to put his hands on this kettlebell as if he were hanging from a bar. Yeah, so go ahead and go on the outside for me. Beautiful. Now this is pretty tough. He's in this big overarch extended position, and we're asking him to dig his lower back into the floor. Really tough stuff here. Let's go ahead and same thing. Let's draw your knees in. No matter what, Andrew, let's try to keep the rib cage down. So pull that rib cage down, keep the lower back digging in the floor, extend the legs out, do a couple more. Supine knee draw, great movement whether you have this kettlebell to hold or not. A lot of times it's not really needed when you're at home. So if you're at home, you want to try this out, start off with maybe 3 sets of 5 reps, building up to 3 sets of 15 reps, and see if you can't keep your lower back digging into the ground and really get some good core activation here.